but this idea was debunked years ago. In reality, as long as your pre-workout and post-workout meals are within roughly 4 to 6 hours of each other, you'll be maximizing the anabolic response to training. A possible exception to this would be if you train fasted, in which case you should try to consume some protein as soon as you can after your workout. Perhaps a more important but less discussed timing variable is consuming protein before bed. The study from my friend Jorn Trommelen and his colleague Luc Van Loon describe pre-sleep protein as an important protein feeding opportunity. They suggest consuming roughly 40 grams of protein before an overnight fast to improve overnight muscle protein synthesis. This is personally what I aim for. Granted, 2 other longitudinal studies that directly tested consuming a slow-digesting casein protein either before bed or in the morning found no significant difference after 8 to 10 weeks. However, both of these studies had subjects consuming a very high protein intake overall, in the range of 2 grams per kilo, or about 1 gram per pound, once again highlighting that as long as total daily protein intake is sufficient, these specific timing factors are much less important.